Miss Betty and welcome to my channel. So for today's video I have this idea and I don't know did someone already did it, but for today's video I kind of wanted to recreate my most viewed video on YouTube. And the reason why I wanted to do that is because my most viewed video is I'm curling my hair like beach waves or something like that, and for the past couple of months I've been trying to recreate that look because that hairstyle was pretty amazing. It has 2 million views, which I'm really proud and I'm really thankful for it. So I was like, let me just watch that video because that video is 5 years old. Let me just watch that video and see what I'm doing and then try to recreate that makeup look. The video is called Beachy Waves Hair Tutorial. It has 2.1 million views. I'm really proud of it and I will try to recreate that makeup look. I'm going to put the video here so you can see what it's about, but I'm also going to link that video in the description box down below so you can watch it for yourself and see my hair skills. So let's watch it. Hi guys, so in today's video I remember I was so quiet in this video because I lived with a roommate then and it was really early. The interesting part is that my hair is similar length now. My hair is down in this video, so that is the first thing that I'm going to do. Okay, now we can see. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my comb and I'm going to brush my hair. Oh! Okay, so the first thing is to brush your hair. Okay. As you can see, today is going a lot easier than then. And after that, I'm going to section my hair into 2 sections. Okay, we have to section our hair into 2 sections. So let me just see. Okay, I'm kind of sectioning it here, I think. Yeah. And then I'm going to be taking my curling wand. So this curling wand is, as you can see, a really small. Okay. I don't have that exact curling wand, but I have this one, and this one is small too. It's really similar, I think, to that. I'm going to be taking this little small piece of section and I'm going to curl it away from my face, and I'm going to be... Okay, so basically I'm taking something like this and I'm curling it away from my face. But let me just see one thing. Okay, wait 30 seconds. Okay, so we're taking a little section, curling it away from my face. Ow! Okay, something like that, and I'm going to wait for 30 seconds. And I'm doing something like this, and is it same? So next piece I'm curling towards my face and I'm basically repeating it all the way when I finished my whole hair. This does not look the same to me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. As you can see, I'm counting really fast. And I'm going to do that and release. So as you can see, I'm just repeating the process and doing it all over my hair. My first layer of hair is done. Now I'm going to take the second layer Okay, guys, it really did not look to me like I'm holding it for 30 seconds, even though I counted really fast. But never mind. Let's see what's next.
And I'm going to part my bangs and I'm going to leave them in the end.
I am not doing that anymore when I curl my hair, but for the sake of this video, let's do it. Okay, like this, I don't know.
And I'm just going to brush this piece a little bit.
I hope it will turn out amazing. And I'm brushing it again.
And I'm going to start curling like I curled this down piece. And this you can even put like looser, so you don't have to wait for like 30 seconds. Like 20 seconds is enough. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, so let's do that.
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And I'm going to release it. Yay, it's so beautiful. It will be so pretty.
So basically, I'm curling it same. So I curled this away from my face. Now I'm going to curl this towards my face, counting till 20, and that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, because I feel like that's how fast I counted. Hey, my whole hair is curled and it doesn't look good. And now let's see what I'm going to do with my bangs, because if I clipped them, then I have to do something special with them, I don't know.
And in the end, I'm going to curl this little section of my bangs.
This hair doesn't look the same. Like this hair, this and this, two different things. My man, two different things. I don't know why it's not working for me.
So I'm going to take like one small piece and I'm going to curl it like I curled the whole hair.
Okay.
So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 30. Okay, that's good. You don't have to curl it too much. Now I'm going to take another section and I'm going to curl it, you know. And this little section I'm going to like divide in 2 pieces. I'm just going to curl it. I'm going to show you how. I'm going to curl it like this and I'm going to leave it for 30 seconds.
So guys, basically I'm curling my bangs, all of my bangs I'm curling away from my face. So that's what we're going to do now. But the thing that I did is that I took just like this part of my bangs and this part I curled. So I'm just quickly going to curl it, and I don't know why, but I think my curling wand is a lot stronger than that one, and I definitely, oh, this is a look. I definitely have to curl it like really loose. I'm going to curl it till 30, but I'm going to count really fast like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Yeah, like that. And I don't know why I don't just curl whole section from once, but that's a secret. Miss Betty will never tell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Bam! So let's see what next I'm going to do, because if I leave this hair like this, I think I'm going to kill myself.
Okay, so now I'm just going to play with my hair a little bit.
Yeah, do that.
I curled my bangs too much.
No.
So this is what
No, you didn't, girl. I curled my bangs too much.
I'm going to do. And this side,
Leave it like that.
I don't know if it's curled or not, but I'm going to curl it again because it looks like really weird. Okay, and now I'm going to spray a little bit of
Okay, so first thing, I'm playing with my hair. So let's do that. And I know this is going to make my hair even curlier, but never mind. I kind of like it, but it's just too curly. Like, how are you so curly? I'm not going to apply hairspray because no. Let's be honest, I like this hairstyle. This hairstyle is not bad at all, but it's not the same. Like this hairstyle is not this hairstyle. If you want to see how I curl my hair now, because it's a lot easier technique and you get a lot prettier curls, and I actually curl it with this curling wand, but it looks amazing. I'm going to show you a picture. So, if you want to see how to create that hairstyle, then don't forget to subscribe to this video and don't forget to thumbs up this video, so I will know that you want me to film that tutorial. And yeah guys, I love you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye!